Good morning, students. Today again I came with the chapter Thrust and Fluids, Archimedes Principle and Flotation. But today we are not going to do any theory portion. Today I will focus on numericals on relative density. Many students were asking me the problems related to this topic. So I thought I should discuss some important and difficult numericals so that you'll be comfortable for this. The first numerical today we are going to discuss that asks a solid weighs 32 gram force in air and 28.8 gram force in water. Find number 1 the volume of the solid and number 2 the relative density of the solid and number 3 the weight of the solid in a liquid of density 0.9 gram per centimeter cube. So we are going to do the solution of this numerical. So let's see the solution. So students, now we are going to see the solution of this question. We know the formula that buoyant force or the upthrust is equal to the true weight of the body minus the apparent weight of the body. Okay, so buoyant force we can write like this. True weight of the body is how much? 32 gf, and the apparent weight is given how much? 28.8. Right, students? So what we will get? 3.2 gf. And according to Archimedes principle, according to Archimedes principle, what we can write? The buoyant force is equal to the volume of the solid. So the buoyant force is how much? 3.2 gf. So we can write 3.2 centimeter cube. So this is the first part answer of the given numerical. Further, we'll go for the second part. So now we'll do the second part of the given question, where we'll find the relative density of the solid. The formula in the previous video I have explained to you. Relative density is equals to W1 by W1 minus W2, which means the weight of the body in air divided by weight of the body in air minus weight of the body in water. So what is the weight of the body in air, students? 32, right? 32 gf. What is the weight of the body in air? Again 32. And what is the weight of the body in water? That is 28.8. Yes, students? So it will give you 32 by 3.2. So this point will be removed. It will cancel out and it will give you how much? 10. So 10 is the answer for the second part of the given numerical. I hope you have understood. Now finally we'll go for the third part. So now students, will finally focus on the third part of the given question, where we are going to find the weight of the solid in the given liquid of density 0.9. So we have considered the weight of the solid in that liquid is W3. So now we can write that relative density of solid is equal to W1 by W1 minus W3 into relative density of liquid. I hope if you have seen the book, you must have found the different formulas related to relative density. So I hope it is clear to you. Let's put the values and get the answer. Relative density of solid, just now we have solved and got, what is that? 10 students, right? What is the value of W1? 32. What is the value of W1? Again 32. W3 we had to find. Relative density of liquid has been given how much? 0.9. So cross multiplication we can do. When it will be multiplied this side, it will give you 3320 minus 10W3, which will be giving you in total 9 to the 18, 9 to the 27 plus 1, 28. So what we can write? 28.8. Right, students? So further we'll solve it and we'll get W3 is equals to 320 minus 28.8 by 10, which will be giving you the value 291.2 by 10, and finally we'll get the answer 29.12 GF. So W3 we have got the value 29.12 GF. If you have doubt in the solution, students, you can ask the questions through WhatsApp, or you can write the queries in the comment box. We'll solve one more numerical on relative density. Let's see that. So now, students, we are going to solve another question on relative density for today's video. This question says a solid weighs 120 GF in air and 105 GF when it is completely immersed in water. So calculate the relative density of solid. So let's see the solution. So now, students, the formula again, that is relative density of solid is equal to W1 by W1 minus W2 into relative density of water. So W1 is what? I have already explained to you, the weight of the body in air, and W2 is what? The weight of the body in water. Let's place the values. What is the value of W1? That is 120 as per the question. What is the value of W1 again? That is 120. What is the value of W2? That is 105. Okay. And what is the relative density of water? 1. So 120 by 15, which will give you how much? 8 into 1, that is 8. So 8 is the answer for this question. I hope the solutions what I did for the given two questions, it is clear to you and you have understood properly. If you have doubts, students, you can ask me anytime through WhatsApp or the comment box as I mentioned, and I hope these solutions will help you to complete the exercise of this chapter. So thank you so much, students, and keep practicing, keep revising.